How do I feel? Or how do we feel? A lesson at Kids Education. Lesson objectives. Number 1 is familiarize with different feelings, and number 2, get to know one's feelings. Like I feel happy. I feel happy when I see and play with my friends. How about you? I feel sad. I'm sad when I miss my mom and dad. Do you feel the same too? I feel angry. I feel angry when I see someone disrespecting others. I feel surprised. This is what I feel when someone see that giving me a gift unexpectedly. I feel scared. I feel scared whenever I watch a horror movie. I feel tired. I feel tired whenever I go out and run out on a sunny day. I feel shy. I feel shy when someone gives me a compliment. I'm shocked. I'm shocked whenever I forget about something. I'm shocked. I feel proud. I feel proud when I accomplish tasks correctly or when I get rewarded from a hard work. We feel what we feel. We feel all the full range of emotions in different situations, wherever we are on the happy or sad, engaged or bored, proud or embarrassed. It's okay to feel what we feel and express in a safe and healthy way.